Such a fucking view of your ears. Your singular ear, your right ear. Oh. Oh, nope. Now I just have very close view.
I was watching the screen. I was just having a conversation, so I turned my mic on. I could just go progressively closer.
No. No, I fucking hate it here. I don't want to be here. No, I don't want to be here. Get me out of here. I'm just gonna stay here. I'm just gonna.
Eric, honey,
I'm not
we just
going
had your
in there.
brother. You are floating. Oh my god.
Oh, am I?
Hermes, are you floating?
Am I?
Whoa. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
you
you
go
are,
into the
you're
corner. Hold on,
levitating.
you go do that.
Oh, damn.
Oh, well.
Yeah, you are floating.
Ah.
Wait, what if I go in the corner?
No, you're not
Oh.
really floating. It's just me.
No, you guys are
Floating?
floating.
Oh, what? What?
Yeah.
What? No, your feet are on the ground. Your feetsies are on the ground for me. I think.
Crazy.
Wait. From a distance, let me look.
You are floating.
I don't know what to tell ya.
I hate
I
this
think
one.
Hermes
I
is the
hate it.
ghost.
I hate this one.
I'm the fucking
I hate
ghost.
it.
Where the fuck is he? Oh,
Yes,
where's the entrance?
Can't see. Where are we going?
That's not the entrance.
I don't remember where the entrance. Oh, maybe we should have looked at the map. Is it this down
Did this
here?
help?
Is it to the left?
I found the entrance.
It's to the left, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, there it is.
Oh.
I was like, I vaguely remembered it to be at the left.
Name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus Christ.
How did you die?
Your light is just flashing through it.
Are you floating?
Never know. Oh, we both can
Yeah.
safe from the ghosts. You think Simon knows?
I think your flashlight's gonna make it obvious.
Oh, come on. You can't always blame it on me.
Your flashlight is on.
Oh,
Your
well.
hands were sticking out.
Oh, with the
The
camera?
bodies were looking through.
Oh
my gosh, it's a shower ghost.
What? What? What?
It's a shower ghost. It's in the shower.
Where the fuck is that? Oh, Psy died.
I can't find my way out.
Oh, is the door locked?
The door
Oh,
won't.
oh fuck, yeah, okay,
It says push it up, push it.
oh, are you out? Oh,
Got a big fuck.
wait, are you? Oh no, I see your flashlight, your head.
Help me!
I have a
Open it.
I have a crucifix. Oh,
That doesn't help me. Oh my
door
god.
open. Where the hell was Psy when they died? I don't know where they were. They
In
went.
the bathroom. We were in the same place.
Oh, you're in the same room. Okay.
Yeah. It was in the showers.
Oh man. Why is it Sunny Meadows restricted?
Oh my.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is that? What is? Whoa! There's a basement.
We don't have to. It responds to everyone. We can stay together.
Detective.
See, I was gonna say every man for themselves, but
No, fuck that shit. We're not. What? That's crazy.
Oh no, guys, it's a Catholic school.
Oh. Oh.
Hello?
Ding dong.
Like
we all
check
went
in?
there.
Oh, why is
Look,
it
the
like this?
chapel.
I don't like holy places like this.
You don't feel loved? Oh, look.
Oh, blood.
Um,
Who died here?
uh, uh, oh.
Did
Oh,
y'all miss the part where I said I was getting EMF 3?
yeah.
We're having a religious experience right now.
Oh, hey, Basil.
Okay.
Uh, this cross is. Whoa, what does it say on the wall? Heal. Sacrifice.
For us.
I don't.
Um,
I don't like this place that much, to be honest.
oh, it's fine. What's
Well,
this? Oh, someone got a lobotomy.
Threw a book at me.
downstairs.
Hermes, I got you a present. Come here.
I
Pick up.
I have to drop something for this. Hold on.
That's fine.
Oh, I don't like that.
It's okay, I'll pick up.
All right, buddy. Fucking write in the book. I'm sick and tired of the games. Oh. Why'd you close the door on us?
No reason.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, I figured out what the cards did.
What the fuck?
Oh, there he goes.
I got the death card. It wasn't me.
I'm out of there. It didn't go below 0, I don't think.
I believe I killed
Yeah, you sure fucking did, huh? What's it always Sai?
I pulled death card. I thought that meant it would kill me.
Did you literally pull the death card? That's crazy.
Yeah. I did. Well, I guess we gotta go back in.
Wait. It says Sai isn't dead?
They survived.
Sai, are you alive?
Am I alive?
Yeah, it says you're alive.
What? No. I felt it crack my neck.
Yeah, we watched it
Does it
crack your
what?
neck.
We're looking at your sandy right now. I might have found some tarot cards.
Okay, let's go back. Did you want to get anything?
Pulled a lot of. I can't fucking see a thing.
Oh,
Maybe we should go get them.
okay. Yeah, you're still in that room. We can. Hello? You're.
I am stuck.
Oh. Oh, it also. Oh, there's writing in the journal.
Cards, they saved you.
It's not fucking.
And killed you. But also
Oh,
saved
he's
you.
okay. He stepped in the salt. Hey, do you want the crucifix in case you fucking eat shit?
I think I need it.
Did you see?
I'm going down a very creepy hallway that is bringing tears to my eyes.
Why are you going?
There were sounds. So I'm seeing. Oh, more blood. Nice. So I'm seeing if I can find some shit.
Sai, did you just die?
Huh? What's happening? You're okay.
What the fuck just happened?
I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
I want to get out of here. Over here.
I wanna go home.
What?
Pushing my
I-
luck.
My fucking
I saw
heartbeat.
death once.
My heartbeat went off and it flickered, and I was like, "Oh, I don't like that." And then over here. This way.
Yeah, I think it locked me in the room, and it was there, and I put the crucifix down, and I stayed real quiet in the corner.
I don't want to go in there anymore. I don't like that room. That room's fucking scary. Did it just knock over a clipboard? Oh, it's messing with your lights. Get out of there. Oh, Sai died fucking again? Sai's dead. Sai's fucking dead again.
No.
Well, you can see
I
the
think so.
moon.
Can you?
Yeah, from over here. You have to look out the window.
Oh.
Why you got? Why you?
Wow. It's the moon. Oh, you mean that moon?
That, yeah, that moon. What fucking moon were you
What
looking
were
at?
you looking at?
The moon.
That? The way you bend backwards as you look up.
Oh,
Casually break your spine.
Yeah.
the moon.
Whoa. I don't know what this looks like. Oh. That's what it looks. Why are you in the presence? Whoa, where you go, Basil? Where are you going?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! They're floating. Off they go.
Off they go. Basil is
There you
Jesus
go.
now. Oh, oh, I'm seeing your eyes. I don't like that. Oh, oh, wait, no, move out. No, wait. I think I. Oh. What's she doing in there? Why's she jiggling like that?
Freaking out.
Wait, is there a ghost? in
Yes.
there? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, she freaking out.
Oh,
Look
is
at.
she okay?
I don't.
Yeah, we should.
Who is she?
I think that's why the door's locked.
I mean, yeah, but like,
Oh,
who is
man.
she?
Oh, I think that's our partner.
Our
Didn't
romantic
quite get it.
partner, or
No, no, ghost hunting
Oh.
partner.
oh.
I.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey, those wreaths look like a face.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it. It's like the gasp emoji.
that's definitely what I was gonna say.
I just, yeah,
What?
definitely don't look like boobs.
I was gonna say nipples.
What?
Yeah.
What? Oh,
they
how
don't
does
look
this?
like
But
boobs.
what does the big one in the middle
Meow.
contribute to boobs?
This one?
Hey,
This one?
don't look at the big
This
one.
one.
All right. We're not looking
Oh,
at the
yeah.
big one.
I know
We're
the
looking at
two on the
small
side,
The
one.
yeah.
other.
But like, I was looking at it as a whole.
Okay, well maybe the third boob doesn't have nipples. We don't judge, okay?
Okay.
It's how they were made.
All right. Oh, hey, the tarot deck card.
Oh yeah, all the ones I pulled.
Saviors.
Well, I did kill you with one of them, but then you came back to life, so it's okay.
You didn't kill me. The ghost killed me. Did you kill
Well, Basil pulled a death
Oh.
card
Yeah,
as you.
yeah.
Oh.
It's okay because I also pulled
You-
the High Priestess card and it came back to life.
Me twice.
I didn't kill you the second time. That was
You
all
know-
natural.
If you cursed me the first time, maybe the
You
curse
can't-
stuck around.
Well, okay, that's not how that works. You can't just assume.
You know that?
Sure I do.
I'm watching Divorce in real time.
No.
Oh. Okay.
Bring this up in counseling.
Mm.